ready to ditch the financial chaos and get your business finances in order. Today, we're going to walk you through a seamless installation of Intuit QuickBooks, step by simple step. First, make sure you have your QuickBooks installation file downloaded from the Intuit website or your installation disk ready. Locate the downloaded file or insert the disk and double-click to begin the installation. The setup wizard will pop up. Follow the on-screen prompts. Accept the license agreement after carefully reviewing it. Next, choose your installation type. For most users, Express install is perfect, but if you need specific network configurations or custom settings, choose custom and network options. This will require more technical knowledge. Now, enter your QuickBooks license and product numbers. You'll find these on your purchase confirmation email or on the product packaging. Double-check these numbers to avoid any activation issues later. QuickBooks will now install all the necessary files. This might take a few minutes, so sit tight. Don't interrupt the process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the QuickBooks icon on your desktop. Double-click it to launch the software. QuickBooks will guide you through a short setup interview, provide information about your company, industry, and how you plan to use the software. This helps QuickBooks tailor the experience for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully installed QuickBooks. Now you're ready to start managing your finances like a pro, streamlining your accounting, and making smarter business decisions. Be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.